A highly respected judge, William Carter, has spent decades handing down harsh sentences, claiming to uphold law and order. But when a seemingly routine case lands in his courtroom, a shocking revelation changes everything. A defendant, Marcus Reed, exposes a long-buried secret, a criminal past that the judge has hidden for years. As the courtroom erupts in chaos, investigations reveal even deeper corruption, bribery, abuse of power, and a justice system rigged for the wealthy. The very system that once protected Carter turns against him, leading to his dramatic downfall. In a shocking turn of events, the same man who once sentenced thousands is now facing his own prison time. How did he keep his crimes hidden for so long? What happens when karma catches up with those in power? This story uncovers a scandal that rocked the legal world and proved that no one, not even a judge, is above the law. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more educating and inspiring stories only on Super Stories. Now let's get down to the story. It was supposed to be a routine case. Marcus Reed, a 35-year-old father of two, sat in the defendant's chair, accused of grand larceny and resisting arrest. The evidence against him was flimsy at best, but one thing was certain: Judge William Carter had a long history of handing down harsh sentences. Marcus wasn't hopeful. He knew what was coming. Or so he thought. Because that day, something happened that no one saw coming. A secret, buried for decades, was about to be exposed, and it would take down one of the most powerful judges in the state. For over 25 years, Judge William Carter had been one of the most feared judges in Missouri. He was known for his tough-on-crime stance. His sentencing was unforgiving. He claimed to believe in law and order, punishing criminals to the fullest extent. But behind the black robe, Carter had a dark past, one that he had hidden for decades. And Marcus Reed was about to uncover it. It started with a simple document. Marcus' defense attorney had requested information on Carter's past cases, hoping to prove a pattern of unfair sentencing. But what they found was far worse. Among thousands of legal records, there was one document that didn't belong, a sealed juvenile record. A record that belonged to William Carter himself. The file revealed that as a teenager, Carter had been arrested for armed robbery. The same crime that he had sentenced hundreds of men to life in prison for. He was only 17 at the time, and thanks to his wealthy and well-connected family, the records had been sealed. The truth. William Carter was a criminal. The moment Marcus Reed's defense team presented the document, the courtroom erupted into chaos. Judge Carter tried to dismiss the evidence, but it was too late. The media had already gotten hold of the story. By nightfall, the entire country knew the truth. A sitting judge, responsible for sentencing thousands, was once a criminal himself. How did he cover this up for so long? How many innocent people were sentenced unfairly under his watch? Within 24 hours, the FBI launched an official investigation. And that's when things got even worse. As the FBI dug deeper, they found more than just a sealed juvenile record. Small blue diamond bribery. Wealthy defendants had paid him off for lighter sentences. Small blue diamond tampering. Key evidence had been lost in certain cases. Small blue diamond abuse of power. Poor and minority defendants had been given maximum sentences, while rich criminals walked free. Judge Carter wasn't just corrupt, he had rigged the system for decades. His downfall shocked the entire nation. The same lawyers, judges, and politicians who once praised him now distanced themselves. The Missouri Supreme Court suspended him immediately. But the biggest blow. He wasn't just being investigated. He was being charged. 6 months after Marcus Reed's case, Judge Carter faced trial. For the first time, the man who once held absolute power over the fates of others was now at the mercy of the system he once controlled. Prosecutors painted him as a fraud, a liar, and a criminal disguised as a judge. Witnesses testified against him. Small Blue Diamond, a former clerk, admitted she had been ordered to lose evidence. Small Blue Diamond, a defense attorney, revealed he had been threatened for questioning Carter's sentencing patterns. Small Blue Diamond, a corporate executive, confessed to paying Carter for a favorable ruling. And then, the final moment came. The jury returned. The courtroom held its breath. William Carter, you have been found guilty on all counts. The sentence? 25 years in federal prison. The same system he once manipulated had now turned against him. Justice had been served. After Carter's fall, Marcus Reed's case was immediately re-examined. The evidence against him, weak. The prosecution's case, flawed. His conviction, unjust. And so, in a historic decision, Marcus Reed's charges were dropped. He was finally free. And the irony, the very man who tried to lock him away forever was now serving time himself. For years, I thought the system was built to break people like me, Marcus said. But today, we proved something. No one, not even a judge, is above the law. Lessons learned from Judge Carter's fall. Power can be abused, until someone stands up. One man speaking the truth can bring down a corrupt empire. The justice system isn't always just. The case exposed how race, wealth, and connections can impact sentencing. No one is untouchable. Judge Carter thought he was invincible. He was wrong. Sometimes, the accused aren't the real criminals. Marcus Reed was on trial. But the real criminal? The man wearing the robe. What would you do? What if Marcus Reed had never spoken up? How many other judges, politicians, and officials could be hiding similar secrets? Do you believe the justice system can truly be fair, or is it always biased toward the powerful? Let us know in the comments. Like, share, and subscribe for more jaw-dropping real-life stories.